Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane. I am a luxury travel advisor, and welcome to chilly Venezia, or Venice, Italy. I am so excited to be spending the next few days here re-exploring Venice. I was here back in 2018 for a week, so I thought I'd kind of discover the city and show you some of my favorite spots to come visit. Things to do, things to eat, of course, and yeah, so let's kind of jump right into it. Venice, Italy is a city unlike any other, with its winding canals, historic architecture, and of course, vibrant culture. As you journey through this amazing city, you'll find yourself enchanted by its unique charm and timeless beauty. Explore the iconic landmarks such as St. Mark's Basilica and the Rialto Bridge, and don't miss a chance to wander through its lesser-known alleys and discover hidden gems. Sciba is a charming stationery shop that offers a curated selection of fine writing instruments, exquisite paper products, and some unique gifts. I personally have bought a few things here over the past few times I've been to Venice. This time I picked up a beautiful wax seal that was a compass with a Murano glass handle. I really enjoy using the Vaporettos in Venice to get around. The Vaporetto system in Venice is a network of public water buses that navigate the city's canals. These offer a convenient and scenic way to travel between different parts of the city and its surrounding islands. I really love using the Vaporettos to experience Venice from the water. It shows you so many stunning views of historic sites, and it's really easy to access popular destinations such as Murano, Burano, and Lido. It's really affordable and efficient, and you can buy day passes for 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, and longer if you're visiting the Venice area. The foodie scene here in Venice is actually really strong. Definitely pop by El Merca, which is cicchetti. So these are small bites, and typically you order a glass of wine. And it's very local wines that are typically served, and cicchetti is very reasonable. Usually it's about 10 euros per person per stop. Another place you must visit if you come to Venice is the Rialto Market. This is known for its fresh seafood and vibrant produce, and it's open from Tuesday to Saturday, usually 7:30 in the morning till around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's a must-visit spot for experiencing local culinary culture, as a lot of chefs actually will shop here themselves. In the Rialto Market area, there are a lot of great restaurants and places for cicchetti. I actually really like Cantina du Spade. I ate here the first time I was in Venice and had a lovely meal. Restaurant reservations are highly recommended. Next up is Cantina du Mori, which is one of Venice's oldest bakery, offers a quintessential Venetian experience with its historic charm and delicious cicchetti and their own local wines. This iconic spot even boasts a history of being frequented by the infamous Casanova, adding an intriguing touch of romance and legend to its allure. Just around the corner from Cantina du Mori, you'll find Arco. I really enjoyed the cicchetti here as well. As you can see, it's very close by. It's literally just around the corner. There is always a line here, but the cicchetti here is worth waiting for, in my opinion. A lot of it is geared towards seafood. However, there were a few options that I was able to get that were seafood free. And of course, I enjoyed a glass of their house red wine with it. Another favorite to check out is Bacaro al Ravano. This is a pretty fun, hip place, a little bit more modern, and some great offers here as well. Again, cicchetti is really about what they have on hand. Here I enjoyed some cicchetti with an Aperol spritz, and again, really enjoyed my little bites. The next morning, I woke up to Venice experiencing Aqua Alta, or the high waters. So sometimes you will find that Venice does flood, and they do prepare accordingly. So there will be raised scaffolding for you to walk on. However, it is interesting what they've done to help preserve some of the buildings, including near the Doge's palace, where they've actually created these glass barriers to help keep the water from entering into these palaces and museums. Known as the most beautiful bookshop in the world, the Aqua Alta Library in Venice is a whimsical and unique bookstore, famed for its creative displays of books in bathtubs, gondolas, and how they display things in case the bookstore does flood. Be sure to go up the staircase of books to check out one of Venice's only remaining covered gondolas. If you're looking for a restaurant recommendation in the Cannaregio area of Venice, be sure to check out Osteria L'Orto de Mori. I actually ate here on one of my previous trips to Venice and really enjoyed my dinner there. If you're looking for more restaurant recommendations in Venice, be sure to check out my blog post where I've written a travel guide to Venice. You can find this link in the pinned comment down below. You will find some of the Vaporettos going to Murano and Burano on the outskirts of Venice near Cannaregio area. It's a very quick ferry over to Murano, and from here you can also go to Burano. There's even flamingos in the lagoon at certain times of the year. Visiting Burano is a must for its vibrant, colorful houses that create a picturesque and charming atmosphere. The island is also renowned for its exquisite lace-making traditions, offering a unique glimpse into Venice's artisanal heritage. Strolling through Burano's quaint streets provide a delightful escape and countless photo opportunities. Also, be sure to check out the iconic leaning bell tower or campanile, adding a distinctive touch to the skyline of Burano. I love finding these unique experiences to enhance my clients' vacations to places such as Venice. As a luxury travel advisor, my clients typically receive some added benefits when booking vacations, hotel stays, and cruises through me and my team. I'd love to work with you as your travel advisor if you don't already have one. You can use the link in the description box down below or reach out to me by my website at wanderlustjourney.ca. After my visit to Burano, it was time to visit Murano. Murano is a must-visit for its world-famous glass-making traditions, where you can witness skilled artisans craft exquisite glass pieces. The island's rich history and beautiful glass shops and museums offer a fascinating and unique cultural experience. Exploring Murano provides a chance to bring home a piece of Venetian artistry and enjoy a serene escape from the bustling main city of Venice. I personally own several pieces of Murano glass and picked up a unique fountain pen during this visit. Another one of my recommendations is to definitely try a traghetto in Venice. Traghettos in Venice are a traditional gondola ferry that provides a quick and affordable way to cross the canal, where bridges aren't typically available. So using a traghetto offers a unique, authentic experience of Venetian life and stunning views of the city's iconic waterways. And it's very reasonable, usually around €2 per person. If you are wanting to actually do a proper gondola ride for 1 hour will typically set you back around €90 to €110 per hour. Starting in 2024, Venice has introduced an entry fee for visitors aimed at managing tourism and preserving the city's unique heritage. Tourists should definitely be aware of this fee when planning their trip, as it is required for entry on certain days. However, for full information on this fee, be sure to check out the link I've put here on the screen. So I really hope that this episode gave you some ideas on things you can do and see during your stay here in Venezia or Venice, Italy. And I really hope you enjoyed the episode. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as that does help support my channel and also lets YouTube know to promote this video to others. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button, because my next episode will actually be in Ljubljana, Slovenia. I am so excited to go to Ljubljana. I've actually never been to Slovenia as a country, so I'm really excited to see what Slovenia and Ljubljana especially is all about. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!